Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to do 3 turns with toe steps and 3 turns with choctaws. We'll start with forward outside 3 turn, followed by toe steps around same direction. So if you're going to the right with 3 turn, you're going to the right with toe step. If you're going to the left with 3 turn, you're going to the left with toe step. Forward outside 3 turn and then toe steps. Next we're going to do forward inside 3 turn and then toe steps will be in opposite direction, followed by forward crossover. So 3 turn will be to the right, toe steps will be to the left. If 3 turn going to the left, toe steps will go to the right. This is good exercise for lats jump. When you reach with your leg, tap and go in opposite direction. Backward outside 3 turn with toe hop and then kind of grapevine toe steps. And then we're going to do other leg same. So on that grapevine toe steps, you're going with 1 foot cross in front and then same foot cross behind. And last one on this category is backward inside 3 turn with waltz jump hop, cross in front and backward toe steps. Again, same direction waltz jump as you 3 turn and then push cross in front and start other leg. Now we're going to move on to choctaws with 3 turns and connecting cross rolls forward outside. So choctaw forward outside backward inside, then backward inside 3 turn and forward outside cross rolls. Work with your knees and ankles, make sure that you 3 turn on the top of the circle. Now choctaw forward inside to backward outside and then backward outside 3 turn. Transition will be with forward inside edges and then you start other leg. You can hold your free leg in front or behind on choctaw. We're doing behind and then in front for the 3 turn. Forward inside 3 turn and backward outside to forward inside choctaw. Transition with forward inside edge and then other leg. Forward inside 3 turn, choctaw and switch your leg. And the last one is forward outside 3 turn and backward inside to forward outside choctaw. You're not going to see this very often, but this is interesting transition. And we're going to do forward outside cross rolls for connecting steps. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.